If you really wanted to understand how finance work, why we need to manage our finances, how finance works in our life, and how money make over money. So I think you should have to read this particular book, Mint Your Money by Pranjal Kamra. We're going to discuss about the summary of this particular book, and I feel it's really amazing book. So let's get started. Hey everyone, hope you all are awesome, amazing, fantastic, and whatever you can say that. And see, this whole book is focused on a single thing, that is increasing your personal capital and decreasing your liability. So there are so many ways that we can increase our personal capital, and the number one is that our saving. The next one is that not having any kind of debt in our life, and the third one is that do investment in our life, and the fourth one is that how we can plan taxes, and the last one is that insurance. We must have a kind of insurance in our life. So let's start with the very first, that is saving. Now, before you are going to start saving your money, you need to have a clarity in your mind why you are saving, and for that you should have a kind of budgeting. If you don't have any kind of debt in your life, then you have to follow 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income you have to give it to your needs, like your rent, your Bizly bill, and a lot of things that we have, that is our actually needs, like foods and a lot of things that we have to give 50%. Now 30% on our wants, that wants like what we need to have, like I want the smartphone and all those things, so 30% you can do for that, and 20% you have to save. Now if you're the person who are having some kind of debt, then you have to follow 35, 45 and 20 principle. Now 35% on your needs, 45% on debt settlement. Do settle your debt as soon as possible as you can, and 20% for the saving purpose. Now if you're the person who just wanted to accumulate your money faster, then you have to follow 40-40-20 rule. 40% on your needs, 40% do investment, and 20% do save. That's what you budgeting. Now see, our life is uncertain. While we are budgeting our life, then maybe any kind of circumstances or situation comes in our family or maybe with us that we need some kind of fund. So we must have some kind of emergency fund in our life, that you can have in your bank account, you can have in your sweep in sweep out account, whatever, that you can put it down for as a emergency fund. And the point is that how we can save more, and for that, stop impulse purchasing. Do track your money, that where is money is going in the whole month. Maybe you can track your money on a weekly basis, maybe you can track your money on a monthly basis maybe. Now let's talk about the debt, what actually this debt is. And you know what, debt is the ghost of the finance world. So if you really wanted to not have any kind of ghost, just don't have any kind of debt. And maybe you have heard from your family member or anyone that in your relative as well, that please don't have any kind of debt in your life. That's what. And this book is also say that life in a debt free hona is very important. But what happen if you have any kind of debt in your life? चलो अब हम नहीं मैनेज कर पाए और हमारे पास कैसे भी करके हमारे पास कोई डेट है, then what we have to do? Very simple, we have to settle it down as soon as possible that we can, because we may have education loan, or we may have home loan or business loan, right? So now we have to focus over there, we have to settle it down as possible as we can. Now let's talk about this as what investing. See, if you really wanted to make money over money or money on money, then the thing is that we have to do investment. Now there are a lot of options that we can do, like we can have a real estate investment, we can have a mutual fund, we can have stock investment in stocks, and there are a lot of things. And if you're doing investment in stocks or in mutual fund, then we have to first realize or understand our risk appetite, that how much we can take a risk on whatever we are doing. So first we need to understand that what kind of risk I'm going to take it up, and if I'm going to take this kind of risk, okay, let go ahead and let do that. That's what. At least you should have to start with a mutual fund. Now let's talk about the taxes. See, taxes, like if you just wanted to avoid taxes, that is illegal, but if you just wanted to plan your taxes, that is legal. Some kind of strategy for you to have a little bit, you can say that discount on, somehow you can say discount on your taxes. So do plan for that and just try to see that which like which kind of taxes you are having. I mean, be aware of kind of taxes that is going in the India specifically. Now let's talk about the next one, that is insurance. And insurance is of three type, like life insurance, health insurance, and general insurance. So try to have a life insurance at least, or that try to have maybe a endowment plan, or not endowment, I mean this book like recommend to have a term plan for yourself, or maybe for the people, or maybe the person who is the bread butter of your family. So have a term plan. And next thing, that at least like you should have your health. And next one is that health insurance. You should have health insurance for your family, for the security of your family, for security of yourself, because our future is uncertain. We are not aware about the future, then we definitely have that health insurance. And now the next one is like general insurance, like your insurance for your car, insurance for your smartphone, insurance for your home, and there are a lot of things that you can have. So try to have, if you can afford it, then please do have all those things as well. And the last one is that please be aware about this mis-selling. Like people are getting a lot more incentive whatever they are selling, so they are pitching a lot more services to you, maybe this kind of health insurance, this kind of term insurance, this kind of car insurance, home insurance, a lot of things, but actually that may sometime you may not require that. So try not to have those kind of, don't connect with those kind of people. Just be aware about all those things and see the TNC of all those things, and then try to have any kind of insurance for you, or maybe for your family as well. That's what this book is all about.